Is matter around us pure? In this chapter, we are going to discuss about matter, and we are going to discuss different types of matter. We are going to discuss about solution, solvent, solute, dispersed phase, dispersion medium, colloid, suspension. These topics we are going to cover in this chapter. First, we can discuss about mixture. What do you mean by mixture? Can you give some examples for mixture? If you are mixing water and sugar, it's a mixture. If you are mixing water and salt, it's a mixture. If you are mixing sand and sugar, it's a mixture. If you are mixing different types of stones, it is also a mixture. Mixture means it is a combination of more than one substances. If you are combining more than one substances, it is known as mixture. Example: sugar and water, salt and water, sand and sugar. There are two types of mixture: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. What do you mean by the term homo? Homo means same, hetero means different. First, we can discuss about homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, if for example, if you are taking sugar solution, in sugar solution, everywhere, every point of the solution, the taste is sweet, right? Everywhere the taste will be same. It is known as homogeneous mixture. The properties are same everywhere. The mixture which is having same composition of constituent substances throughout the mixture, it is known as homogeneous mixture. The mixture which is having same composition of constituent substances throughout the mixture. Example: sugar solution, salt solution. When we are adding sugar into water, the sugar is going to distribute everywhere equally in the water. Similarly, in salt, when we are adding salt into water also, when we are adding salt into water, the salt is going to distribute everywhere inside the water equally. The uniform concentration. The concentration will be uniform everywhere. It is known as homogeneous mixture. Then what about heterogeneous mixture? The concentration will be different. The mixture which is having different composition of constituent substances in the mixture, it is known as heterogeneous mixture. Example: sugar and sand, salt and sand. When we are mixing sugar and sand, it is not going to mix uniformly. There will be differences in different point. Now we can discuss about solution. We all are familiar with solution. Salt solution, sugar solution. Now we are going to discuss about solution. Minimum it should have two components. For example, if we are making the solution of sugar, we need sugar and water. When we are adding sugar and water, we are going to get sugar solution. Here, sugar is less in amount, water is more in amount. Sugar is known as solute, water is known as solvent. Solute, solvent and solution. So we can say that solute plus solvent equal to solution. Example: sugar plus water equal to sugar solution. Salt plus water is equal to salt solution. If you are adding any acid to water, it is also example for solution. Water and acid. Now we can discuss about the properties of solution. Solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Solution is homogeneous. There is no doubt in that, because the properties of solution will be same everywhere. The first property, it is homogeneous. Properties of solution are uniform throughout the solution, that is, it is homogeneous. So you can write solution is homogeneous mixture. Second property, particles of solution cannot be seen using naked eye because the size is very small, less than 1 nanometer. It is nanometer, it is 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter. It's a small measurement. We cannot see any particle inside sugar solution. Can you see any sugar particle inside the solution after dissolving? After dissolving, the sugar solution is a clean solution. We cannot see anything using our naked eye. They do not scatter a beam of light passing through it. Scattering means, what do you mean by scattering? When light is transmitting through a solution, if there are particles, the light will undergo continuous reflection and we can see the path of light. That is scattering. Light is undergoing continuous reflection. That process is scattering. Here in the solution, the particles are too small. Light is not going to undergo scattering. They do not scatter a beam of light passing through it. Solute particle cannot be separated from the mixture by filtration. If we are filtering it, if we are using a filter paper and we are passing this salt or sugar solution through that filter paper, are we going to get sugar or salt back? No, we are not going to get it because it is completely dissolved in it. We cannot separate it using filtration. And just imagine we are keeping sugar solution for some time, for 2 hours. We are keeping this sugar solution at a particular place and we are not disturbing. What is going to happen? Nothing is going to happen because sugar solution is a stable solution. We are not going to get sugar at the bottom of the glass, and they do not settle down when left undisturbed. Mixture is stable. When we are keeping that solution at a particular place and we are not disturbing it, sugar is not going to settle down because the solution is stable, the mixture is stable. Solution is equal to solute plus solvent. What do you mean by solute? The solute is less in amount in the solution. Solvent is more in amount. The component of solution that dissolves the other component in it is called solvent. For example, if we are adding salt into water, salt is dissolving in the water, right? Salt is dissolving in water, then salt is solute, water is solvent. The component of solution that is dissolved in the solvent is called the solute. The component of solution that dissolves the other component in it called the solvent. Water dissolves salt in it. The component of the solution that is dissolved in the solvent. Salt is dissolved in the solvent. It is called solute. Or you can say that in a solution which is less in amount, that is solute, which is more in amount, that is solvent. Now we can compare the concentration of solution. There are two solution, sugar solution. Both are sugar solution. In this solution we added more solute. In this solution we added less solute, means less sugar, more sugar. That is concentration, right? The concentration is depending on the amount of solute as well as amount of solvent. Concentration of solution depends on amount of solute and amount of solvent. If you are adding less amount of water, more amount of solute, less amount of water, more amount of sugar, then the concentration is high. Concentration depends on amount of solute and amount of solvent. In the case of sugar solution, amount of sugar and amount of water. How we can find concentration? Now we are going to find concentration. The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in given amount of solution. If you are taking a solution, for example, if you are taking 2 liter of solution, 2 liter of salt solution, and in that 2 liter of salt solution there are 50 gram of salt. We are calculating the mass of solute and mass of solution, right? Concentration of solution is equal to amount of solute by amount of solution. Now we can discuss how can we find concentration of solution. Concentration of solution is very important. If you are making some medicines, Ayurvedic medicine, we need to check the concentration of solution. It's a very important topic, right? There are different methods to find concentration of solution. Here we are going to discuss only two methods. First one is mass percentage. For finding mass percentage, there is an equation: mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. And next topic is volume percentage. Volume percentage is equal to mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. So there are two methods to find the concentration. We can discuss it with an example. A solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of solution. Mass percentage of solution, the equation is mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. What is mass of solute? Here 40 gram of common salt, that is less in amount, and 320 gram of water, that is more. This one is solute, this one is solvent. So mass of solute is 40 gram. Mass percentage is equal to 40 by, what is mass of solution? It is not 320 because 320 is the mass of solvent. Mass of solution will be mass of solute plus mass of solvent. We can write 40 plus 320 into 100, which is equal to 40 by 360 into 100 equal to 11.1 percentage. Now we can discuss about saturated solution. Saturated means maximum. We are going to make a saturated solution. For that we are taking a glass of water and we are taking sugar. We are going to add this sugar into that water. What is going to happen when we are adding sugar into water? It will dissolve, right? Now it is dissolving. Again we are adding sugar and it is dissolving. We are repeating the same thing again and again. Finally we are taking the sugar and we are adding that, and finally the one situation will come that sugar is not dissolving in it. The maximum amount of sugar has been dissolved in it. It is called saturated solution. If a solution containing maximum amount of solute at a particular temperature, then it is a saturated solution. Why are we using this particular temperature? Because if we are changing the temperature, we can add more sugar in it. That is super saturated solution. When we are changing temperature and we are adding more sugar in it, then it is super saturated. Here we are discussing about saturated solution. In saturated solution, we are not changing the temperature. The temperature remains the same. Constant temperature. In this constant temperature, how much solute we are adding, how much sugar we are adding, that is called solubility of the solute. So we discussed two topics here. One is saturated solution. In saturated solution, the maximum amount of solute has been dissolved in the solvent. It is a saturated solution. If it is not maximum amount, it is unsaturated solution. And the amount of solute present in the saturated solution is solubility of that solute. First we can define saturated solution. It is a solution which is having maximum amount of solute in it. When no more solute can be dissolved in a solution at a given temperature, it is called saturated solution. Now we can discuss about solubility. We already discussed that. Solubility is the maximum amount of solute in that particular solvent. The amount of solute present in saturated solution is solubility of the solute. Subscribe our channel for getting instant notification of sample paper solution and support us for providing free online classes to everyone. www.winpointonlineclasses.com